Today, let us discuss about the fat cells on the topic, the hidden science of fat cells, how healing your fat cells heals your whole body. Introduction. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore something that's changing the way science looks at weight, metabolism, and even chronic diseases, our fat cells. Most people think fat is just stored energy, something we need to burn off. But recent research by fat cell scientists has revealed something shocking. Fat cells are not just passive storage bags. They are living, intelligent cells that communicate, release hormones, and influence nearly every system in our body. And here's the exciting part. When we heal and retrain our fat cells, we can lose weight more easily and stop many diseases right at their root. Second, understanding fat cells. Let's begin with what fat cells actually do. Dash. Dash. Each fat cell, or adipocyte, is like a mini metabolic factory. It stores energy when you eat, but it also talks to your brain, your muscles, your immune system, and even your hormones. When these cells are healthy, they help maintain energy balance and protect your organs. But when they become inflamed, overloaded, or insulin resistant, they start causing chaos. They begin releasing inflammatory chemicals, disrupt hormonal balance, and block the body's ability to burn fat. That's when people start developing obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, even early heart disease. So the real problem isn't too much fat, it's sick fat cells. Third, the new discovery, reprogramming fat cells. Now here's what scientists have found fascinating. You can actually reprogram your fat cells to become healthy and active again. Your body contains two main types of fat. White fat stores energy. Brown and beige fat burns energy to produce heat. In a healthy person, white fat can transform into beige or brown fat, a process called browning of fat. This is the body's natural way of increasing metabolism. And guess what triggers this transformation? It's not pills or extreme workouts. It's natural cues like cold exposure, like a cool shower or brisk walk in the morning, proper sunlight and daylight exposure, deep sleep, certain nutrients like omega-3 fats and polyphenols, and rhythmic eating patterns, giving your fat cells time to rest and regenerate. Fourth, the fat cell communication network. Think of fat cells as part of a massive communication network. They send out chemical messages called adipokines, such as leptin, adiponectin, and resistin. These messages tell your brain when you're full, when to burn or store energy, and how sensitive your body should be to insulin. But if your fat cells become inflamed, they send the wrong messages. It's like static in your communication line. Your brain stops hearing the signals. So you keep eating, even when your body doesn't need more food. This is why many people say, I'm eating less, exercising more, but I'm still not losing weight. It's not your fault, it's your fat cells misfiring. 5. The fat cell trick. What 99% people miss. Now let's talk about the simple trick that's transforming results for so many people. The trick is resetting your fat cell rhythm. Your fat cells follow a natural circadian rhythm, just like your brain. When you eat late at night, sleep irregularly, or stay under artificial light too long, your fat cells get confused. They start storing instead of burning energy. To reset them, eat during daylight hours only, ideally within a 10 to 12 hour window. Get morning sunlight. It sets your fat cell clock. Avoid eating after 8 p.m. Fat cells don't like night shifts. Drink more water. Hydration improves fat metabolism. Include protein, fiber, and good fats in your first meal. It signals safety to your fat cells. Studies show that people who follow these simple patterns can lose weight faster, and their markers for diabetes, blood pressure, and inflammation drop dramatically on this. Sixth, the healing connection. Fat cells and chronic diseases. Let's connect the dots. How do healthy fat cells stop diseases? When fat cells become healthy and balanced, inflammation drops, insulin sensitivity improves, hormones like leptin and adiponectin normalize, energy levels rise naturally, and the immune system stops attacking the body. This means that by focusing on healing your fat cells, you're not just losing weight, you're preventing or even reversing diseases like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, joint pain, heart disease, even cognitive decline and early aging. It's truly a root cause approach to healing. At thus, 7. The holistic view, energy, frequency, and cellular healing. When you think beyond matter, beyond calories and diets, you realize that fat cells also respond to energy and frequency. Your emotions, thoughts, and even your stress frequency affect how your fat cells behave. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which tells fat cells to store more energy. But when you practice calmness, deep breathing, or meditation, your fat cells shift back to a healing, burning mode. So, healing fat cells isn't only physical, it's also energetic and emotional. This aligns perfectly with modern holistic wellness, balancing energy, frequency, and consciousness. 8. Conclusion. So, to wrap up, remember, fat cells are not your enemy, they're your healing partners. When you take care of them, they take care of you. Small daily changes in rhythm, light, hydration, and food timing can reprogram your fat cells to burn energy and heal disease. The key is not in restriction, but in restoration, restoring communication, rhythm, and energy balance. When 99% of people apply these simple principles, they lose weight naturally and regain their health faster than any diet alone could achieve. Thank you. Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFL. Healing beyond boundaries.